Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this simple and quick to do flowers. For doing these flowers, I have used basic crochet stitches like triple crochets as well as a picot stitch. It's very easy to do even by absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to make these flowers are: here I've taken a 3 mm crochet hook, any colored 4-ply cotton yarn, pearls to be sewed in the center part of the flower, thread and a needle, scissors. So let's begin. First make a magic circle. And work 4 chains. And these 4 chains will be considered as the first triple crochet. Now yarn over twice and going into the magic circle, work second triple crochet. Again yarning over twice, going into the magic circle, work the third triple crochet. So including the 4 chains, in all I have worked 3 triple crochets. Now we'll be doing a picot stitch. For that, work 3 chains. And going on top of the third triple crochet, work 1 single crochet. So in this way, I worked a picot stitch. Now again yarning over twice and going inside the magic circle, work 2 more triple crochet. And now we'll be ending the first petal. For that, work 4 chains and slip stitch into the magic circle. So here I have done the first petal. Now as you can see, our flower consists of 4 petals and each petal is worked in the same sequence as I mentioned before. So we'll be following the same pattern sequence in order to work the next 3 petals. So again work 4 chains and work 2 more triple crochet. Now I will be working the picot stitch. For that, work 3 chains and going on top of the third triple crochet, work 1 single crochet. Now going back into the magic circle, work 2 more triple crochet. And to end the second petal, work 4 chains and slip stitch inside the magic circle. So that completes our second petal. In similar way, work 2 more petals. So once I am done with 4 petals in all, I shall get back. So here I worked the 4 petals and after working the 4th petal, I pull the tail of the magic circle so as to close it. Now we shall slip stitch onto the base of the initial 4 chains and cut the yarn. Now we shall sew a pearl on the center part of the flower. So that completes our flower tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.